Hello, my name is Jamie. I'm going to be walking you around this Toyota Hilux today. This 2.8 litre beauty Invincible X Auto is kitted out with some nice additions. So we've got a roller shutter on the back. Here to pull it back. Makes it nice and easy. There you go. Wind deflectors on the side, tinted rear window, heated seats for the rear main two seats. We've got obviously heated seats in the front as well, leather throughout. This does have CarPlay and an additional cup holder in the middle, which is always nice. Power outlet in the underarm storage area, aircon that blows freezing cold. It's also got adaptive cruise control with the radar sensors in the front grille. It's also got adaptive headlights as well, reversing cameras and 360 imagery, alloys, keyless entry. Plenty of extra features here as well. There's your cruise control, auto dimming rear view, electric seats. This truck is absolutely loaded with spec, and you can come and get it at Anchor 4x4.